Our News 10's Dalford Jones is in downtown New Iberia enjoying some great festivities at the Louisiana Sugarcane Festival. Let's go back out to him. Hey, Dalford.
Hey, thank you, Brett. The weather could not be more perfect for the Sugarcane Festival. But you know, one thing not so sweet during sugarcane harvesting season, of course, it falls in the middle of hurricane season. And you know, we just got hit by Hurricane Francine 2 weeks ago in the heart of sugarcane country in Iberia and St. Mary parishes. Joining us now is News 10's Lainey Miller to tell us a little more about how the farmers fared during Francine. Hey, Lainey.
Yeah, right now we're on festival grounds, but earlier I was in the sugarcane fields learning about how Hurricane Francine's winds knocked over some of the stalks, but did not ruin the harvest for most Acadiana farmers.
It brought in a lot of moisture, a little bit of winds, and knocked the cane down. Not going to affect us so much where it's going to hurt us. The moisture kind of helped us a little bit with the plant cane and on the standing cane. So it was kind of a win-win situation for us.
Sugarcane farmer Eddie Lewis says it only takes about 10 days for the cane to stand back up on its own. As long as the stalks are not uprooted, the crops don't die. However, heavy rainfall could have affected next year's crop, which is planted around this time.
I would say about 80 to 90% of the sugarcane farmers in this area was finished previous to Francine. So the moisture that came in for Francine was actually good for the plant cane. It affected it a little bit, but probably more in a positive way than anything. We needed the moisture so the cane could kind of come up a little bit with the sun.
Lewis says farming is always a gamble during hurricane season, but Francine helped his harvest.
Francine kind of pushed me over the edge and it kind of made me a bumper crop. So I'm definitely grateful for the moisture for my plant cane and also for my crop. Like I said, 2024 crop is looking to be one for the record books.
So Mr. Lewis gave me some sugarcane to try, and this is kind of what it looks like whenever he ripped it off the stalk. I'm going to try it. It looks like a solid, but whenever you taste it, it kind of tastes like sweet water. So back to you, Dalford. I'm going to come bring y'all some sugarcane to try for yourselves.